init talaga. Sulitin na natin, mag-ano tayo, mag-lemonade. Is it still open? Wala na talaga. Okay lang, nakatipid tayo. Lahat ng mga kasabay namin may dalang lemonade. Everything happens for a reason. Ba't sila nagsara agad? It's not meant to happen. Kita nang maraming nauuhaw eh. Sayang! Hello! We are going to the Statue of Liberty. Meron palang bilihan muna ng ticket bago ka makapunta dun sa Statue of Liberty. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Liberty State Park sa New Jersey. So, bibili muna tayo ng ticket para makasakay sa ferry going to the Statue of Liberty. Siyempre natin palalampasin ang Statue of Liberty. Bata pa lang tayo. Ito yung alam natin sa Amerika.
3:30.
Oh.
Okay.
You're gonna go out that way, make a left, all the way down.
Okay, thank you. How much for the ticket?
25.
$25.5 for the ticket.
So bumili na nga kami ng ticket for $25.50 per person. Muntik pang di makaabot dahil tanghali gumising ang mga main characters.
Last na tayo.
Buti nakaabot tayo. Diyos ko, ito yung sa mga pinunta natin dito. Paano pag di tayo nakaabot, babalik tayo, ganun na lang. First day pa lang, ito na yung hinahanap ko, yung Statue of Liberty. Na nasa kalagitnaan po ng river. Actually, yung ticket, pwede dapat siya sa Ellis Island, tsaka sa Statue of Liberty. Pero since last na kami, batch, either Ellis lang or Statue of Liberty. So, pinili natin ang Statue of Liberty.
So hindi ako na-inform na may kasamang warm-up pala ito. Hindi naman ako nagre-reklamo ha. What? Pero parang may pa-challenge yung lakad papunta sa ferry. Tapos pagdating, may mahabang pila naman while nakabilad sa araw.
Ang init talaga. Ito na, we're going in.
And finally, we're going in. Super inat kaya diretso na kami agad sa pinakataas. Syempre, for the main character energy. At habang feeling cinematic kami sa taas, bigla kaming nagkaroon ng very important discussion.
Ano tawag sa akin? Ferry cat? Cat ferry?
Ha? Sakay na.
Oo. Cat ferry ba? Ferry cat.
Yan po yun.
Oo.
Yung in-endorse si Sharon Cuneta.
Oo. Super ferry.
Yun, super ferry.
Tapos sumisisid yung mga bata.
Ha? Iba yun, muro ami yun.
Figure it everywhere.
So ito yung first stop, the Ellis Island, pero hindi na tayo bababa.
First stop is Ellis Island. Hindi na kami pwede bumaba kasi last trip na yung nasakyan namin. Pero, short history muna para kunwari educational tayo. Dito dumaan ang millions of immigrants before, searching for a better life. Parang ultimate job interview. Pero ang kapalit, bagong buhay. Some of them made it, but most of them didn't. So imagine habang tayo naka-ferry lang for the vibes, yung mga tao noon, dala nila buong pangarap nila pagdating sa isla na to.
Yan na po, malapit na po nating makita si Liberty! We are here, going down. Let's go!
And finally, we arrived at the Statue of Liberty. Nakita na rin namin siya in real life.
Hello there!
And grabe, hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya ka-overwhelming. Parang ang tagal mong nakikita sa pictures, sa movies, pero iba pala talaga kapag kaharap mo na. I mean yung presence, mapapa-silent mode ka bigla. Pero quick fun fact habang nakanganga pa ako dito. The Statue of Liberty was actually a gift from France to the United States back in 1886, symbolizing freedom and friendship between the two countries. And yung torch niya, it represents enlightenment, parang ilaw na gumagabay sa mga bagong dating noon. Kaya siguro ganito yung feeling. It's like you're standing in front of history and at the same time, inspiration.
Naman tayong mapadpad dito sa Statue of Liberty. Sulitin na natin, mag-ano tayo, mag-lemonade, ganyan.
Pero syempre, pagod na pagod kami. Nag-crave kami ng lemonade. And guess what?
Is it still open?
Sarado.
Wala na talaga. Okay lang, nakatipid tayo. Lahat ng mga kasabay namin may dalang lemonade. Everything happens for a reason, guys. Ba't sila nagsara agad? It's not meant to happen. Kita nang maraming nauuhaw eh. Sayang!
Okay lang, pero deep inside, hindi okay.
That was quite an experience seeing Liberty up close. Ngayon, pabalik na ulit yung ferry.
And just like that, pauwi na kami. Walang lemonade pero may memories. Moral lesson, hindi lahat ng gusto mo, makukuha mo. Minsan, sarado talaga. Pero okay lang, kasi kahit walang lemonade, na-refresh pa rin kami sa experience. At siguro yun din ang pinaka-lesson dito. Liberty isn't always about getting what you want. It's about having the freedom to keep going, to explore, and to see things from a different perspective. Kahit may mga sarado, may iba namang bukas na pwede mong matuklasan. Kasi sa dulo, hindi laging destination yung mahalaga, kundi yung kalayaan mong maranasan ng bawat moment along the way. This is Diane Kerer saying, if life doesn't give you lemonade, mag-rant ka na lang sa vlog. Char! So if you're visiting New York, try nyo to. At kung may makita kayong bukas na lemonade shop, bilhan nyo na rin ako. See you on my next vlog.
Thank you, Liberty. Until the next that we see each other. See you when I see you next time. Magle-lemonade na kami dito, right?